When it comes to marketing your products, it's often hard to find influencers, partners, and customers because this involves a massively manual process. But today we're going to be talking about Lessie because these guys are using AI to shorten the whole process, making it a lot more efficient and a lot less time costly. Let's dive into this. They use AI to basically shorten the whole process when it comes to actually converting leads. So here we can see you can get matched to influencers, you can use any platform here, so you can use Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and that allows you to scale at speed here. Now, this isn't just an AI that's going to find influencers for you. You can actually use this platform to outreach to those influencers in bulk, in which it's going to create highly personalized messages, integrate replies automatically, and optimize the send time of those emails as well for when that influencer is more likely to be online. Now, you'd imagine this is a super complicated process, but as you can see here, we have a prompting screen, and what we can do is actually just type in what we want and the AI is going to find it for us. So let's say we have a crypto product we want to market. What we can do here is press find influencers and then type in crypto influencers. From that point, we're just going to press send and then let this thing work its magic. Now, in order to fine tune this search, it's asking us what product or service in the crypto space are you looking to promote and what platform do you want to run the campaign on. So let's say we're doing a pre-sale. We want to run this on YouTube. And that is us answering the question, allowing the AI to work. And next, it's asking us a little bit more information about the project so it can fine-tune the search to find the right influencers. So let's say this is a DeFi product, but also a meme coin. And now you can see it's going ahead and sourcing from the internet, basically find out what influencers are suited to my product. Now, this can be for any product. It doesn't have to be specific for crypto. This could be a beauty product in which, yes, we could find beauty influencers on Instagram, or it could be something that you have set up on Shopify. As long as you explain it to the AI, it's going to do all of the heavy lifting for you. And here we can see it's actually found a bunch of different crypto channels that would be suited to promoting our pre-sale here. And it's actually going ahead and automatically filtering out the ones that maybe aren't so good and prioritizing the ones that are better. So now it's completed its search. We've got a few things here that we can look at. We've got the username. We have the AI review that will basically say, hey, this is a perfect match. This is what the channel covers. It gives us links to those channels, the country the channel is from, which would be great for your demographic, and the gender of the influencer. And if we scroll to the right here, we can see a bunch of other things as well, including their follow count, average views, engagement rate, and we can even check their email here. So if we wanted to email crypto bros about this, we can press this button like so. And then straight away, we can see it's given us the email that is on the YouTube channel. Now, let's say we want to email a bunch of these influencers. What we can do here is actually go to the left-hand side, pick the ones that we want to actually email. Let's just say we have these 4 here. And then if we go to the bottom right-hand side, you can see just to the bottom right of me here, we've got the option to export or send an email. First, let's try to export. So now we have an option to basically export this into our own sheet where, yes, we can include all visible data, or we can actually go for the full contact data, which would be unlocking all of the emails. Now, the other option is just to send emails to these guys. So we can press the send email button and then just confirm that with the email for selections. Next, it's going to open up another tab for emailing. We can then have our sender name. And then for the subject, this is where we can do what's called adding variables. So let's say we wanted to create a good subject point. So we're going to write in huge collaboration opportunity for, and then we want the influencer there. So what we can do is actually add a variable here on the right, which is the influencer's name. Then basically for each email it sends out, it's going to take that influencer's name or the channel name and actually insert it here for that subject. This would be great for avoiding things like spam detection and other things because each email is unique. And then we can go ahead and write our email. A good way you can do this, guys, is to use something like Grok or ChatGPT and then just ask it to write an influencer outreach email about a pricing request for collaboration promoting the DeFi meme coin presale. So we can type that in, send it, and then Grok's going to get back to us in no time with a quick little email here. As you can see, that is beautiful. So we can basically copy this and then, yes, paste it into here. And then it's just as simple as basically changing these to our company name. Let's just call it mecoin there and take advantage of the typo. Paste that in everywhere. And then after a little bit of fine tuning here, what we can do do is basically read it back, make sure everything is good. And then we just do like a quick thanks, Hamilton. There you go. Beautiful stuff. And from that point, we can simply press send. And as you can see at the top here, it's now sending those emails out for us. We can go ahead and view these emails separately here. And then we could go to our inbox to basically manage all of those influences and the conversations in this area. But overall, that is Lessie. Definitely something that's helping out a lot of my businesses. And it's important to note, guys, that this is actually an invite-only project. So basically, if you are interested in this, there will be a link below in the description in which you can get early access to this. And it's currently free to use while they are in their testing phase, so definitely consider checking it out and performing some outreach yourself. And again, this isn't just for influencers. You can find customers, experts, and partners as well. So if you're raising for a project as well, you could potentially find partners using this too. So skip the guesswork, guys. Instantly connect with your ideal clients, influencers, hires, or partners, and try Lessie AI for free today. This is honestly a fantastic product and is helping me out a lot. I will be definitely buying a subscription when it does go live. But if you are interested, check it out in the description and you can get access for free. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.